Hi, child of God. Do you want God's grace to automatically work for you? The Bible tells us in James 4:16 that God gives more grace to the humble. Meaning, the moment we make up our mind to not become humble, then we receive more grace. Then how does it automatically work? John 1:16 says that God gives grace for grace. It means when you have grace, He gives you more grace. So make sure you're humble the best you can. The grace comes, and then that grace produces more grace because it says God gives grace for grace. That is how we make grace automatically work for us. Yes, it's an unmerited favor, but we have to do our part. When we do our part, it becomes ours and it becomes grace for grace. I pray God's grace shall be your portion. God bless you.